Hi guys, today I'm making my version of Thai basil chicken.
Please subscribe and click on the bell.
Your support means a lot to me. Give this video a like as it will help distribute this video throughout YouTube. For the sauce, mix oyster sauce, soy sauce, dark soy, fish sauce, water, and sugar. Pound chili and garlic until a paste forms. Heat oil and saute chili and garlic until fragrant. Add your chicken. When your chicken is halfway done cooking, add your onions, bell peppers, and sauce. Once chicken is cooked, turn off the heat and add your Thai basil. And that is how easy it is to make my Thai basil chicken. Take a bite. Yum! Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you are notified each time I post a new video.